Hello, my name is Tim Brown. I'm Vice President of SteelROCK Roof Products. We are a manufacturer of stone-coated steel roofing products in tile and shake profiles. Our products are 100% recyclable, Class A fire rated, and Class 4 hail impact resistant. Galvalume steel is one of the most recycled materials on the planet today. Our manufacturing process is 100% environmentally friendly. We start with a Galvalume steel base, coat it with a water-based acrylic polymer resin, and embed natural stone granules. SteelROCK Roof Products is your permanent solution. We offer a lifetime, non-prorated, no-nonsense warranty.
They use the SteelROCK stone-coated steel, which we thought was an excellent choice for us because of the durability as well as the energy-saving capabilities that was available with that roof.
If you really sit down and think about it, where you want to be in 10 years, whether you want to be doing this again, you'll look at a SteelROCK roof. It was a higher quality roof, and therefore it gave me a refund on my insurance.
As I said, I'm on the Architectural Control Committee, and I've been on it for 7 years now and been very active in what roofing materials we allow in. We saw some pictures and we went and looked at a couple of the roofs that were SteelROCK. We decided it had a little more ridges, a little more definition into it. It didn't look like one big piece of metal. So we really liked the SteelROCK. I voted for it to have another homeowner for it to be put on, then I liked it so much that's what we picked. And when we saw the samples of the SteelROCK roof, we knew that's what we were interested in.
The gentleman from SteelROCK said that he gave us a sample of it, and we brought it home and did the rub test. You start to try to choose a roof, you have small samples, and it's kind of difficult to know what to expect. We chose a color, and it matches our home very beautifully. It blends in. It adds to the loveliness of our home.
Today we're on a 15-year-old shake roof that's pretty much worn out. In this particular application, they've chosen to go with a radiant barrier over the existing shake roofs. Now keep in mind, there's a multitude of ways to install this roof, whether it be over wood shake, over asphalt shingles, over synthetic shakes, or even remove the roof and go over the original decking. In this particular application, the radiant barrier is installed over the existing wood shake roofs. 1x4s are then installed up your existing rafters nailed into your space sheathing. From there, we take nominal 2x2 wood battens and install them 14.5 inches up the roof. This is the base for your new metal roof. Please remember to be sure and check with your local building code to see which application is approved in your area. At SteelROCK, we manufacture a nice stone-coated drip edge. It's installed to hide the wood buildup. You can either incorporate your rain gutter behind, leave it like this, install your top panel, and you're good to go. Next, I'd like to talk about a very critical part of the roof. It's the valley area. It collects all the water from this roof as well as this roof. We utilize an 8-inch valley pan, bring the panels over, cut and miter them to match the contour of the valley. First, this side is done. The second panel is cut and bent to match. Installs in this manner, leaves you a nice clean area, allows the water into the pan and off the roof. At SteelROCK, we utilize a unique pipe flashing method. First, the panel is laid through, a rough opening is cut into the panel. We then install the pipe flashing in this manner. Then, it's followed by another panel cut with the opening size of the pipe flashing and installed over the existing panel. Then dressed with caulking, stone chip, you're good to go. The SteelROCK roof installed on a batten grid system like in this manner, you end up with a 2-inch dead air space. The beauty of that is the airspace is between the old roof and the new roof, allowing the air to move up the roof, out a ridge vent system, which will substantially reduce your energy costs. Another unique characteristic of a SteelROCK roof installed on a batten system is it's actually laid from the top down. Each panel interlocks with one another from top, sides, left, and right to make a completely waterproof system. The other unique thing about a SteelROCK roof is it's actually nailed horizontally versus vertically, like conventional roofing systems. That allows us to achieve 120-mile-an-hour wind rating and even more by increasing the fasteners. Another advantage of choosing a SteelROCK roof is our pressing. It's the most aggressive, deepest profile on the market today. What that means to you is a true shake facsimile and an extremely strong walkable panel.
Another reason that we chose Horn Brother Roofing and the SteelROCK product is they installed a radiant barrier beneath the SteelROCK roof that gave us energy efficiency, and we've noticed the savings in terms of heat in the house.
We did notice after the original wood roof was taken off and the radiant barrier was placed, even before the metal roof was put on, we could tell a significant difference in the house. And we have high ceilings, and we really, at the time, we could tell the house wasn't as warm on the inside. After the metal roof was put on, we had kept the thermostats at 71 degrees, and after everything was finished and completed, we started raising the thermostat because the house was almost too cold inside, and right now we've kept it at 78 degrees. So I know it's a lot cooler in here, and the air conditioning's not running near as much as it was beforehand.
We've been able to set our temperature up, our thermostat up about 4 to 5 degrees more, and it still seems just as cool.
When I finally decided on the style I wanted and the color I wanted, I chose SteelROCK Pacific Tile in the terracotta because it best matched the house and best matched the neighborhood.
Remember, Galvalume is one of the most recycled materials on the planet today. SteelROCK's manufacturing process is entirely environmentally friendly. We start with a Galvalume steel coil, apply water-based acrylic polymer resin, and embed it with natural stone granules. SteelROCK roof products can be installed with or without battens on solid or space sheeting, provided the gap be filled with lumber for proper fastening. Statistics show that in the Los Angeles basin alone, there's enough roofing debris generated from failed and removed roofs to fill Dodger Stadium every month. Imagine that, filling Dodger Stadium 12 times a year in and year out. SteelROCK roof products is your permanent solution. There are so many so-called lifetime roof products that have come and gone only to fail in a short period of time. Stone-coated steel has been manufactured for some 50 years and installed in some of the harshest climates all over the planet and withstood them all. That's why we offer a no-nonsense lifetime non-prorated warranty. So in closing, please remember, SteelROCK roof products is Class A fire rated, highest rating available. Class 4 hail impact resistant, highest rating available. 120 mile per hour wind resistant and higher by increasing fasteners, and is 100% made in the USA. Thank you.
It was a wonderful experience, and I would recommend Horn Brothers and SteelROCK to anyone to purchase. The quality of material that I chose, and that's the reason why we made our decision. And I'm very, very pleased. Both Pat and myself are very pleased.
During the installation and after the installation, we've had a lot of people come by and notice our roof. We've recommended it to a number of people and will continue to do so. We have been very satisfied.
We've had two of our neighbors here in the subdivision that are good friends of ours that we really haven't discussed the roof with very much, who came by and said, "Hey, we like your roof. What material is it? Who installed it?" And after we've talked with them, they both have put on the exact same roof that we've put on, even the same color and the same shade. So it seems like everybody in the neighborhood seems to be pleased with it.
The money that you get back from your insurance initially, the money that you will save by not paying high insurance bills later, the energy efficiency of it, that all goes to paying for that roof, and in no time it pays for itself. I highly recommend it. They walk you through all the things you need to do. It's a few phone calls and that's it, and before you know it, you have a beautiful new SteelROCK roof.